channel, but what I'm gonna try to do is just gonna tap on a few things. I'm gonna do some other things too that I'm gonna try. So if that's, that's gonna be something. Hopefully that'll work. So let's go. Yeah, but I just got done making an insane Minecraft video. It was with me and my friend Connor. Yeah, but it was about me and my friend on Minecraft Java. That we both just got it, So we were trying to just chill out, and it did work. But thing is, the audio corrupted, so that shit it's fucking loud as hell. If anyone watches this video, I'm gonna be linking that into my description. If you wanna go watch it. I'm actually uploading it right now. As soon as this video comes out, and it is meant to be a shit video. So if it looks shit, that's what it was meant to be. So don't worry. But yeah, this is a 1990 rookie and traded card set with 110 player cards and 10 trivia cards. Let's see if I can. It doesn't look that good. My ring light is dog shit. Yeah, but you can see it like yeah, there you go. So yeah, that was my first item. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that right there. Next item, I don't know if it'll make good noises or not, but this is a old guitar pedal with grunge. It is a grunge guitar pedal. So yeah, let's see. That's weird. I don't think that these make any noises. So yeah. So yeah, we're just trying out new things. Just happen and have like a little conversation. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading every 2 days on that account on my gaming channel. Link in the description. My channel name is Gypsy. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm really hoping that I've been wanting to make a YouTube video for my ASMR channel for about months now, but I never had the correct equipment, I don't have a good webcam. Like, this thing that I'm using is like at fucking 720p, and it sucks like major dick, it's just not good. So yeah, this doesn't make good noises, I don't think. No, it squeaks. Squeaking noises are not good when doing ASMR. So now I got something I can flutter. This is like a little, I made it into a headband. This thing used to be like it was like a Hawaiian kind of themed. So this thing right here, put it on as like a bandana. So yeah, so I'm gonna try and do some fluttering noises with that. getting better and better. So yeah, I mean, I've been like, I don't know, like this Christmas did not, like it didn't hit the same. Like, I don't know, it just didn't, like, it didn't feel the same as like 2016, 2018, like staying up late at night with your friends, playing like fucking Fortnite at like 3 in the morning, doing the fucking Christmas shit. So I mean, so that was the like headband flutter thing. So now I got this fucking thing that I've been like shaking all night. This is one of those you like put up to the mic and it's not making any noise. But I can use it as like a little yeah, that's not making that much noise, but I'm sorry. Yeah, this is just like a little short ASMR. Not that bad, not that bad. So, we're gonna be doing another tapping, obviously, of my ancient Modern Warfare 2 disc. So, not disc, but the case. Hold on, I don't know if this is gonna be loud or not. Wasn't that bad. Okay, yes, so, I know it might look like a little messed up, which it's not, it's just the paper inside. It's a little folded, So yeah. Okay. So now we got an Oculus Quest 2 controller. This is my old Quest 2 controller. I have two of them. I'm just gonna use one. I have had two Quests before. Don't be loud. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, good. So that was that. I promise I'm not going fast on purpose. I'm just trying to get done, like, for the video. I really want to see how this does, so. We got a candle. So yeah. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully whoever's watching this is nice and relaxed in their bed or doing their work, homework, you know, work from home. Hopefully whoever is watching this video has had a very, very good Christmas, and I'm hoping that whoever is watching this is also gonna have a good New Year. Remember, guys, you guys are always supposed to stay spotlight. Always stay positive as you can, and if you can't, that's fine. But you always gotta look up. You always gotta look up. You always gotta try your best in life. I've been in places people shouldn't be. But that doesn't mean that I gave up, because I didn't. People in my life, like my friends, have helped me. My best friend has really helped me. My best friend has always been there for me for almost 6 years now. We've always had fun and shit, and yeah, we've pretty much grown up with each other, and yeah, always look to people that you know and trust, even people that you might not trust. You should still let them help you. Normally, people nowadays will help you with anything that's wrong. So always look up and don't look down on yourself, because you're worth it. You matter. And yes, I know, I have a Confederate flag. I have a Confederate flag in my background. But that does not mean I'm racist, because I'm not. I am not racist. I love many black people. You could say African Americans, I love them. They're amazing. So yeah. Hopefully you guys have had a nice time listening to me. And I've had a nice time trying to pleasure you guys, pleasure your